Okay, wala ba kayong mga kamay? So, walang uwian. Kasi gabi man ito, mamaya hindi sila mapapagod na mag-magic at mag-show sa inyo. So, to start off the night, roll call po muna tayo. So, lahat ng batang tatawagin ko, kung gusto nyo magka-gift for tonight, lalapit kayo dito. Our angels for tonight is Lian Daniel Angulo. Nandito ba si Lian? We also have Erica Micaela Manggubat. Nandito ba si Erica Micaela Manggubat? Ayun! Naku! Walang gift ang hindi lalapit sa stage. Okay, stage daddy. Mamaya may gift ka din, daddy. So, Erica Micaela Manggubat. Wala? Okay. Let us call on Trisha Katibog. Si Trisha Katibog, andito ba? Andito rin ba si Vince Katibog? Vince Katibog? Mamaya may self-interpretation si Vince ng message niya sa atin. Mukhang hindi pa nagsasalita si Vince. Let us call on the 7 treasures. Naandito po ba si Ninong Donald at si Ninang Lily Angulo? Hindi pa po ito 1,000-an. Ito po ay roll call pa lamang. Naandito rin po ba si Ninang Milen Barola? Yes. Si Tito Jonathan and Catherine Navales. Ayun. Naandito na rin daw si si Mr. Elmer and Miss Len Manggubat. Taas ang kamay. Ayun, naandun. So, 7 balloons. So, lalapit ulit ang batang naandito na gusto makakuha ng gift. Let us call on Royce Ariel Mansila. Ian. Nasaan ka, Ian? Next is Cairo Casal. Nandito ba si Cairo? Halika dito, Cairo. Next is Miggy Casal. Nandito ba si Miggy? Next is Rylan Mendoza. Andito ba si Rylan? Rylan. Ayan. So, Rylan, dito ka. Hindi siya magbabite. Dali. Dito ka kay Kuya tumabi. Yan. Andito rin ba si Uriel Soriano ng 7 Wines? Uriel? Yan. Andito rin ba si Jeremy Lipidante? Sorry. Jeremy Lipidante. Tinatawagan ko rin si Mr. Jared Sikat. Si Mr. Jared Sikat ba ay naandito? Ayan. Naandito na rin ba si Riley Alain Mansilla? Si Ramdao? Si Zia Andre Tumambing? Zia Andre Tumambing, andito ka na ba? So si Janay Caliana Navales. Nasa na si Janay Caliana Navales? Si Margaret Alex De Castro. Nasa na si Margaret? Wala si Margaret Alex De Castro. Si Maxine Galiel Valles. Si Gail. Maxine Gail Valles. Si Margaret Isabel Valles. So, meron daw dumating, sabi ni Miss Angel. So, mamaya, tatawagin natin sila sa second roll call. Pero kids, yung mga bulaklak na yan, pakibigay nyo na sa parents nyo in behalf of Earl to say thank you for spending the night with us. So, yan. Lapit na kayo kay Mommy. Sabihin nyo, Mommy, love you. Malapit na Christmas. Hong Kong tayo. Yan. Okay, so thank you po. Tatawagin ko ulit kayo maya-maya. So now, eto na. Meron tayong hindi tinawag kanina. Yung pinaka-importanting tao sa gabing ito, hindi natin tinawag. Pero bago natin siya tawagin, ipakilala muna natin siya. With the loving care of their godparents, Dr. Elena Domingo, OBGYN, and Dr. Carmelo Domingo, pediatrician, it was exactly and approximately 2,554 days ago, early morning of 8:25 a.m. in Las Piñas Doctors Hospital, when husband and wife Edwin and Angel Manggubat was blessed with their eldest and only cute baby boy, Earl Andre. Earl Andre is a 6.8 pounds baby boy who was born in the year of the ship. Tandaan nyo, kids, yung mga sinasabi ko, kasi mamaya may question and answer tayo. Under the zodiac sign of Sagittarius and under the guidance of his guardian angel, Saint Judiel, he has grown to be kind, generous, and God-fearing little lad. His favorite cartoon character is... Sino ang favorite cartoon character niya? Transformers. From his zodiac sign, Sagittarius, si Earl, commonly called by his friends, is known to be honest and free-spirited. Our young lad's dream someday is to become a carpenter. So, simple lang siya. Gusto niya lang maging karpintero. Pero ayaw niyang mag-build ng small houses. Gusto niya mag-build ng isang universe. So like most kids today, si Earl po, stakeholder na. Stakeholder na siya, kagaya ng ibang bata, ng McDonald's Chicken Nuggets at Jollibee Chicken. Ang favorite na araw niya, Friday. Friday afternoon, kasi bonding nila ng Tito Edwin. Ang favorite na araw niya, Sabado. Bakit? Kasi pumupunta siya sa paborito niyang lugar. Ang paborito niyang lugar, toy stores. Ang paborito niyang hobby, mamili ng toys, at mamili ng toys. Wala siyang ibang hobby, yun lang. We will now begin our program for the night. So ladies and gentlemen, there are too many words to describe our celebrant, but it would be much more better if we get to know him well as the night goes by. So without further ado, let's all stand, be merry like our celebrant, and welcome our dashing and debonair, who is no longer a baby today. He is no longer a baby but not yet a man. He's our little boy, Earl Andre Manggubat. Okay. So, syempre si Earl hindi mangungulila ngayong gabi. Tatawagin po natin ang kanyang kapartner na mukhang hindi rin sasama sa kanya sa gitna ng stage. Pwede po ba naming matawag ang kanyang kapareha na si Erica Micaela Manggubat? Ayan. So, sabi sa inyo, Sagittarius na Sagittarius siya, di ba? Free-spirited. So, naandyan lang silang dalawa, ma'am, hanggang buong gabi. So, bago po natin ipagpatuloy ang gabing to, kanina nagbasa ako ng autobiography ni Earl. So, paunahan, may gift sa akin. Ilang pounds po si Earl nung pinanganak? Ilang pounds si Earl nung pinanganak? Takbo lang dito, yung nakakaalam. Okay. Bati muna, happy birthday Earl, tapos ilang pounds si Earl nung pinanganak?
Happy birthday, Earl.
Ilang pounds siya nung pinanganak?
60.8.
Okay, isang kabang bigas si Earl nung pinanganak, Tita Angel, kaya tumaba si Tita Angel eh. Oh.
6.8.
Okay, 6.8. O, sunod na tanong. May gift ka sa akin? Diyan ka lang, ate. Sunod na tanong, ano ang favorite bonding day ni Tito Edwin at ni Earl? Okay, anong pangalan? And happy birthday Earl muna.
Happy birthday, Earl.
Anong favorite day, bonding day nila?
Saturday.
Mali. Next. Sino? Favorite bonding day. Favorite bonding day? Sige.
Sabado. Ay, Saturday.
Saturday, hindi rin Saturday. Thank you. Favorite bonding day? Pinaka-paboritong bonding day ni Tito Edwin at saka ni Earl?
Friday.
Friday. Okay. Last question. Saan paboritong pumunta ni Earl? Saan?
Toy store.
Toy stores. Okay. So, pagpapatuloy po natin ang evening na to, pero bago dyan, tatawagin ko muna ang pinsan ni Earl na si Mr. Riley Alain Manggubat Mansilla. Ikaw na pala yung kuya. Para kumanta sa atin together with our band ng Baby ni Justin Bieber.
You know you love me. I know you can. You should never. And I'll be there. You want my love. You want my heart. And we will never, ever, ever be apart. Baby, I'm looking at it. We're just friends. What are you saying? So there's another and the brighter. We're gonna stop. We're gonna be me till you wake me from this body. I'm going down, 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 down. And I can't believe there's now going to Baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 no. But you would always be mine, mine. Yes, baby, baby, oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 no. Thought you would always be mine, mine. When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody good for it, oh, I was going crazy. So I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't need no Starbucks. You made my heart go round. And then I got up. And I went to see her on the weekend. She really was amazing. Cause she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking. But I just keep on saying, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, that you would always be mine, mine, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, that you would always be mine, mine. Now I'm gone. Now I'm gone. Now I'm gone. Yeah, no gone.
Yan. Salamat, Rael. At habang, alam nyo kasi live tayo, tapos may face paint. So habang inaayos muna natin si Earl, tatawagan po muna natin ang isa pa niyang friend, si Miss Ivy Sikat, nakakanta rin sa atin ng When You Believe. sisimulan na po natin ang ating mga seven entourages na pinrepare pa talaga ni Miss Angel, ang mommy ni Earl. So to start off, we're calling on the 7 princesses. So yung 7 princess po ay magbibigay ng 7 boutonniere kay Earl. Kasi sabi nga natin, pagka may flowers, may thankfulness. Alam niyo po ba na nung mga unang panahon, ang king and queens binibigyan ng flowers pagka birthdays? Kasi it would symbolizes faith. So to begin with, tawagin natin ang mga kaklase ni Earl galing Stonyhurst Southville International School. To start off, let us call on Elizabeth Antig. So babati ka muna kay Earl. So si Elizabeth po ay galing sa class number 1 ng Stonyhurst Southville International School. So classmate siya. So bati muna.
Happy birthday, may all your wishes come true.
So sige po, pakikabit na ang boutonniere kay Earl. So si Elizabeth po ang number 1 sa klase nila. So siya pala yung first honor sa klase nila. Okay, so thank you Elizabeth. Meron ka ring flower at meron ka ring gift. Tita Angel. Si Margaret Alex De Castro. Bati muna kay Earl. Birthday greeting kay Earl.
Happy birthday, Earl.
So, kabit na po. Ang susunod po nating tatawagan ay ang class president. Siya rin daw ang class number 2. Siya naman ang panganay na anak ni Dr. at Doktora Siasoko. Tawagin natin si Therese Felici Siasoko. Okay, so bati muna.
Happy birthday, Earl. We wish you all the
Okay. So, boutonniere. O, bigay mo na yung boutonniere kay Earl. So, natawag na natin ng class number 1, ng class number 2. Tawagin naman natin ngayon yung pangatlo sa kanilang klase. Siya naman ang anak ni Mr. and Mrs. Vanessa Tagalikod. So, tawagin na po natin si Samantha Tagalikod. So, bati muna.
Earl, happy birthday. I wish you more life, good health, and more blessings. Thank you for being a good friend. Happy birthday.
Okay. So, thank you, Samantha. Paganda ng paganda ang ating mga gowns. Galing po yan sa ating mga magagaling na couturier. Ang ika-6 na ika-7 po na magbibigay ng boutonniere kay Earl ay magkapatid. Sila ay anak ng pinsan ni Tita Angel. So, sila po ay anak ni Mrs. Gisela Di Mataktak Valles. So, tawagin muna natin si Maxine Gail Valles. Bati muna.
Happy birthday, Earl. Be a good boy always.
At ang kahuli-hulihan po ay si Margaret Isabel Valles.
Happy birthday, and you wish Good health.
Okay, may good health talaga ako, pero siya si Earl. Sana nakatingin ka kay Earl kanina, ate. Okay. Ngayon naman, kung meron tayong mga nagbigay ng botoneers, tawagin naman natin yung mga ka-Berks ni Earl. So sila mga 7 wine. Pero hindi pa ngayon. Siguro mga 10 years or 20 years from now pa ang bubuksan ng kanilang wine. Pero sila yung mga friendly friends ni Earl. So bago yon, tatawagin natin to toast tonight's celebration si Mr. Earl Darren Grande. So message muna at saka anong sasabihin mo kay Earl?
Happy birthday. Sasabihin ko na? Happy birthday, Earl Andre. Happy birthday, Earl Andre. And happy birthday, Earl Andre. And raise this glass to toast and celebrate. Because having you as a friend is very and kind and intelligent.
Hindi po lasing si Kuya. Nakalimutan niya lang ang script niya sa bahay. Pero tawagin na rin natin ang iba niya pang ka-Berks. Ang kanyang play friend na galing pa sa Maynila. Inaanak ni Tito Edwin. So makakabawi ka dahil malapit na ang Pasko. Siya ang youngest son ni Mr. and Mrs. Divine Soriano. Tawagin natin si Oriel Soriano.
Happy birthday, Earl. Ay, happy birthday, Earl. God bless you.
Okay, harap ka daw doon, Kuya. At the end of the evening, parang ako ang debutante. Ako ang pinakamaraming picture. Ang susunod po, so tawagin natin si Alexi Francisco Kauleng. Babati ka kay Earl.
Happy birthday, Earl.
Kuya, harap doon.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Earl.
Okay. Ang ika-apat po natin, ang super supportive daw sa birthday celebration na ito. Wala pa daw. So, moving forward, tawagin na naman natin ang youngest son na nakabarkada ulit ni Daddy Edwin. So, ang kabarkada niya ay si Mr. Ruel Sikat. Kabarkada niya na since high school. Schoolmate naman ni Earl yung anak niya sa SSIS at service mate pa. So, tawagin naman natin si Jared Sikat.
Happy birthday, Earl. Good boy.
Okay. Ang susunod po ay pinsan naman niya. So, kaklase sa SSIS at service mate. Tawagin naman natin ang panganay na anak ni Mr. Jeff Cabillon, si Jercel Cabillon.
Happy birthday, Earl. Happy birthday, Earl.
Okay. So, okay. Malapit na po tayong kumain. Pero syempre, bago tayo kumain, magbo-blow muna po tayo ng candle. At dahil dyan, tatawagin na natin ang 7 candles. Or 7 cakes. So, sabi nila ang cake daw brings good health and prosperity. So, to light our 7 cakes, we would like to call on Ivy Sikat, schoolmate sa SSS and daughter ng high school na barkada ni Mr. Edwin Manggubat. So, where's Ivy? Yan, si Ivy Sikat. Next would be Kay Perez. Kay Perez. Si Kay Perez ay cousin ni Earl at service mate niya din. Kapatid din siya ng susunod kong tatawagin na si Kyla Perez. So, nasa na si Kay at si Kyla? Tatawagin din natin ang schoolmate at service mate ni Earl na si TJ Luz. Tatawagin ulit natin ang isa pa niyang service mate at pinsan, si Jeremy Lapidante. Jeremy Lapidante. Tatawagin ulit natin si Ryle Alain Mancilia. And of course, yung kanyang friend at former schoolmate, si Jairo Miguel Lucido. Jairo Miguel Lucido. Okay. So, pwede po bang kantahan natin si Earl ng happy birthday? Pakisindihan na po ang aming mga kandila. At pinipage po namin ang aming birthday celebrant. Earl?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
So lahat ng bata, pwede kayong lumapit dito.
To
So lahat ng bata, tinatawagan ko po dito sa harap, lahat ng bata, lahat ng aming mga prinsesa, halika dito, Elizabeth. Yan, halika dito. Okay, lahat ng bata, punta na po kayo dito, magbo-blow na si Earl ng candle. Earl! Earl, halika dito. Okay, so kakantahan natin siya happy birthday. 1, 2, 3 kids. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, blow. Okay, wala ba kayong mga kamay? Okay. So, bago po tayo mag-dinner, bibigyan po tayo ng isang sayaw ni Earl. Sige, with friends. So, thank you mga kids. So, sasayaw si Earl ng kanta ni Iyas, solo.
this earth, if I gotta do it solo. Yeah, we used to be a team, running the streets, yeah, we was living out a dream. Oh, you used to be my rider, I was your provider, and now we separated in two. Oh, when we was burning up the block, yeah, and everybody know when we stepped in the spot. Oh, see, we was like the dynamic duo. I never thought that you knew what you did, yeah, you did. Oh, baby, sail away alone, yeah. And now you got me trapped up on this island where nowhere to get. Oh, and I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go, girl. I don't wanna go, no, I don't wanna go, no. I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. 'Cause I was so high and I was so low, and I don't wanna walk around alone solo. Said I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. So lose the freedom to my top line, pull us together and your outfit hit the rewind. Say you give me a purpose, now I'm getting nervous that my heart will never sing again. Oh, when we were burning up the
buffet po yung ating dinner. So, habang yung iba ay nanonood, yung iba po ay pwede nang kumuha ng pagkain.